Thank you so much, members of the press, distinguished guests. Thank you so much for attending today. It's a very special day for me today. I get to launch not only a mobile phone in this booming mobile market, but it's also on my son's name. I've been part of this since inception, and we've made sure that in this cluttered phone market, what can we do different? What can we do that's not been there and done already? So we introduced to you Vian Mobiles and some of the USPs. The major one is that each smartphone will come with a project called V Assist, which is a free phone 1-800 number that allows each and every smartphone user a personal 24/7 concierge service, which means anything you need 24 hours a day, just make one phone call to us and we'll make sure it's done for you. Travel, shopping, gifting, anything you need, we will have a solution for you. Separate to that, I have to say that we simultaneously today are the first Indian mobile phone brand to launch simultaneously in 7 countries. We've launched in 7 CIS countries as of now today. And I'd like to thank especially our distributors, Mr. Kuldeep and Mr. Yakubovich, who's come from Ukraine today. Thank you so much for coming here. And for us in India, the choice was mass or class. And we decided with Vian to bring the class to the mass. Very simply, with the launch of our 1-800 service, Vian Mobiles will be the first smartphone in India to be offering such a service. So once you register your Vian handset with us, you're entitled to free discount vouchers. So you get thousands and thousands of rupees of discount vouchers. Separately, a little bit of trivia. India is known to be the accident capital of the world. Now, whilst we can't prevent accidents, what we are doing is with every smartphone purchase, we are giving our customers a 2 lakh rupee accidental death cover. God forbid you don't need it, but it's there for you free with every handset. So with V Assist, if you use this V Assist properly, we can assure you that the cost of your phone is pretty much recouped in 12 months. If you want to book your travel, see the rates we have, see the offers we give you. We've tied up with over 100 vendors who've got some special offers for you. So V Assist is our key unique selling point, and you're going to love the features that it has. And we do hope that the customers will also enjoy what we've brought to them. So let me now introduce to you the first of our launch phones. I'm going to hand it back to Soumya and Neha to kindly do the honors, please.
Thank you so much. I'd like to tell all of you that each handset from the Vian mobile range will be escorted on stage by our esteemed celebrities from all walks of life who excel in their respective fields. So this is an extremely special event, and all these celebrities are full of life, they are full of energy, just like our phones.
That's right. So introducing first in line, Vian Emerge. A beautiful entry-level smartphone which comes with a 4-inch screen along with dual-core processor, 512 MB RAM and 4 GB storage, expandable up to 32 GB. It features a front and rear camera with flash and runs on Android 4.4. Available in 2 colors, black and grey. Escorted on stage by Manish Paul, someone who has emerged as one of the finest and the most spontaneous, witty TV hosts, a budding actor and someone who we can say is really full of life and energy. Manish Paul, ladies and gentlemen.